Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter 13 Percentage. I am Prasad sir. So I will start the second part of this chapter. Let us start. So that one is the exercise 13. First question, change the following into percentage. So how can change into percentage? Let us see. It is 3 by 2. So it will be 3 by 2 into 100 and write the percent sign. Let us divide 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10 and 1 0. And so 3 5 are 15, it is 150%. So that one is your answer. Let us see in this, that is the 5 by 2. That means 5 by 2 into 100 and write the percentage sign. So 2 1 are 2 and 2 5 are 10 and 1 0 is here. So 5 5 are 25 and 250. It is the 250%. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next one. Third question is 1 upon 5. So you have to write 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5 into 100 and do the percent sign. Here is 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10 and that is the 20. So you have to write 20% as an answer. Here is 3 by 20. So 3 by 20 and multiply by 100 and write the percent sign. So 0 will be cancelled to 0 and 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10. So 3 into 5. So it will be get that is the 15% and 15% answer. Change the percentage into fraction. How can change the percentage into fraction? Let us see. It is the 50%. So that means 50 upon 100. That number is out of 100. So you will be cancelled, 0 will be cancelled to 0 and 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. So you get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction. Let us see in second part what will be happen. That one is given as 15%. So what will be happen? It will be 15 upon 100. So divide by 5, 5 3 ja and 5 2 ja and 1 0 is here. So we get 3 upon 20. So that is the fraction part of this percentage. Let us see the third part, that is the 2%. So you have to write 2%. What will be happen? It is 2 upon 100. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10 and 1 0 is here. So 1 upon 50. So that is the fraction and answer. Let us see what happen in the 10%. So you have to write 10 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled to 0 and we get 1 upon 10 as an answer. Now come to the third question. Find out the 60% of rupees 360. So you have to write 60% of rupees 360. So what will be happen? It is 360 into 60 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled to 0. Once again 0 will be cancelled to 0. So we get 36 into 6. Now multiply to this one. 6 6 ja 36, carry 3 and 6 3 ja 18 and 3, that is the 21. So you have to write rupees 21. So that means rupees 216 is your answer. So let us see in how much this one. How much is 15% of 480 kilogram? So that means it 15% of 480 kilogram, that is in the short it is called as kg. So what will be happen? It is 480 into 15%, that means 15 upon 100 and you can say it is kg. So 0 will be cancelled to this 0 and 5 3 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 4 ja 8. So we get 24 into 3. Now multiply to this, 3 4 ja 12, and 3 2 ja 6, and 1, that is the 7. So 7 kg. You have to write here kg as a unit. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next one. So next one is Sita got 250 marks out of 500. Convert her marks into percentage. So first of all, marks marks is equal to, it is the 250 out of 500. So that is the result of this uh, Sita. So how can change into percentage? It will be 250 upon 500, and out of 100, so it is the percentage. So you can change this like, so 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. 5 1 ja 5, and 5 5 ja 25, and 1 0 is here. So you have to write that is 50%. So that one is your answer. It's a very simple. Let us see the next question. So what will be happen in your next question? If Ram gets a maths book price rupees 10 at 10% discount, so how much will he pay for it? Ram gets a maths book price rupees 10. Let us see how much its cost, that is the mark price. So you can say it is mark price of book, that is the rupees 10. Discount, it is the 10% of rupees 10. So that will be 10 rupees, 10 into 10 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled to this, 0 will be cancelled to this 0. So we get rupees 1. So Ram pay, that is the mark price minus discount. So mark price will be, that is the 10 rupees, and discount will be 1. So we get rupees 9, and that one is your answer. Let us see the next one. 7th, on Independence Day, 300 toffees were brought to a school. 99% toffee were distributed to students. What number of toffees remains? Yes, let us see the total toffees. You can see here total toffees is equal to 300, and the distributed toffee, that is the 99% of 300. So let us see. So that one is 300. It is 300 into 99 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled to this 0 will be cancelled to this. Now multiply in this side. So 3 9 ja 27. So 7 2 carry, a 3 9 ja 27, and 2, that is the 29. So let us see the remain topic. Now remain topics will be equal to 300 minus 297. So how much? It will be 3 only. So that one is your answer. Let us see the 8th question. If Rupa gets 390 out of 600 marks in her annual exam, what percentage marks did she get? So marks of Rupa, that one is 390 out of 600. So that one is marks. So let us see how can change into percentage. It is 390 upon 600 into 100. So it will be changed into percentage. Now 0 will be cancelled to this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. And now divide to this one. 3 2 ja 6 and here is 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 1 0. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 5 ja 10. So we get 65%. So that one is your answer. बस मैं आज ये यहीं समाप्त कर रहा हूँ और नीचे लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, उसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे। मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट